What's going on, guys? So let's talk about this. I had a couple of questions from my unboxing and I want to go ahead and get to those. So let's get started. So first question I got was, how much did it cost? I got this on a Black Friday sale, and where it came from was the military Army Air Force website called The Exchange. The Exchange is a website for military veterans, retirees, and active duty personnel that is currently serving. Okay, if you qualify, you can go to that site and order from that site and have it delivered wherever you are, anywhere, pretty much anywhere in the world where there's a base or you got a home address. With FedEx or DHL, you can have it delivered. So the regular price for this drone was $279. I got it for $199 on a Black Friday sale. So that's where I got it from, and that's how much I paid for it. Okay. Second question, can you really tell the difference between 2.7K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 30 frames per second? Honestly, you can if you know what you're looking for and what you're watching it on. For example, if you're watching it on your cell phone, or you're watching it on a tablet, or you're watching it on an older computer that doesn't have 4K capabilities, or a TV that doesn't have 4K capabilities, it'll be hard for you to see it. But even if you're watching it with something that is a 4K monitor, you basically got a pixel peep. Hard for me to say that word, pixel peep. Basically, you got to blow it up, right? If you blow it up between 150 and 200%, you will see how soft it actually gets versus true 4K. So in this video in particular, I have upscaled this entire video to 4K. So when you're watching it on YouTube and you hit the little gears and you see how high it goes up, it's going to go to 4K because you have the ability in post to upscale the entire video to 4K quality. So you can actually, depending on the type of editor you use and device you're using, you can actually upscale it to ProRes 422 or ProRes HQ or LT, but you're going to eat up a lot of gigs when you do it. Like when I upload this video, I think it had maybe 5.5 gigs. If I were to do it in ProRes, it would probably have 25 gigs, or LT would probably go about 30. HQ, either HQ or LT1 would go all the way up to 45 gigs for this exact same 5-minute and 36-second video, okay? But you do have that ability to do all those things in post. Okay, last question, which is concerning color grading. I didn't do any color grading. This came directly out of the box in normal colors. I did not change anything, okay? I'm giving it to you raw, just me moving around, showing you how smooth and easy it is to fly this thing, the controls on this, and the best part about it is the OcuSync transmission versus Wi-Fi. I was able to fly out much farther. I picked up more satellites, not that that had anything to do with the transmission, but I picked up 26 satellites and I never lost signal. Where before I would have lost signal in this particular area because I've flown here before with the Mini SE original, and with the second version, much easier, much smoother. And when doing the return to home feature, the old drone would normally get within 5 to 6 feet of where I started. This one got within a foot. It was very close. I thought it was going to hit the mark, but it kind of veered off at the end. But this one has gotten a lot better. So if you had the original and you're wondering if this one is better, actually, the transmission is far better than the first one, okay? OcuSync is always gonna be better than Wi-Fi, all right? You're gonna be able to go much farther, much more confident, and bringing it back, it just works that much better, okay, guys? So that's it for now. Hey, any other questions you have, please leave them below in the comment section. But other than that, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.